Now let's go ahead and try to do the historical analysis using the previous 2 years of state shared revenues from the Department of Revenue website from the state of Wisconsin. Let's go back over here to upload file, and let's grab this one and open this. What we're going to say is, please use these historical files as well as the 2023 data to do a historical trend analysis of state shared revenues for the city of, let's do the city of Milton, Wisconsin. This way we can narrow it down to one city, make it a little easier to manage and work with. And let's see what ChatGPT can do. Start loading the data from 21 and 22 and combine the 23 data to visualize the trend for the city of Milton. Now that it's finished working, let's go ahead and see. It appears that we have the data for the city of Milton, also have the data for other municipalities, the similar names, but we'll focus on the city of Milton for our analysis. Let's create a line chart to visualize the historical trend of state shared revenues for the city of Milton over these 3 years. So here we have it. Here's the trend here. And let's try something here. Let's say, please create the line chart as a multi-line chart with each state shared revenue fund being a different colored line. And let's see if we can do here, because there's different types of state shared revenues. And so I want to see maybe there's some that are increasing and some that are decreasing, and look at it that way. So it's going to create the multi-line chart and see. So here's different charts here. We can also say, please add data labels in dollars to the chart. And take a look here. Going to add data labels for each line. Again, we can kind of iterate and refine this chart to make sure we're getting information we want displayed. Now it's finished working. Let's look at it. And here we have it. Here now we have our data labels on there. We can save this. We can download this or do whatever we want with that. So the blue line labels represents county municipal aid. Orange is utility aid. Green is expenditure restraint program aid. And so there we have it. We went from being able to upload that document, did a quick trend analysis for a city. And of course, let's make sure we double check our work. So go ahead and take a look and see those different state shared revenue files and double check to make sure it is accurate.